Hello everyone, so today I have received my new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro 16-inch. So let's do the unboxing together and we see what we got inside. Okay, so that's the box itself. Let's take our sharpness, knife or anything that comes in the box. Alright, so what we got here. Okay, so that is okay. So, all right. So we got the box inside the box. So that reveals the Lenovo box. So as you can see that this laptop was actually really securely packed, boxed with two boxes. One of them. The grey color one, the brown one, and now here we have the Lenovo Legion 5 original box. Okay, as you can see, the laptop is very securely packed. Let's pick up the laptop first. We put them on side. Okay. We got the box here, so we open up this box. I'm assuming that's the charger. Yes, it is the charger. From what I see, it is looking quite big charger, to be honest. And yes, I'm sorry for the sound. Yes, so that is a charger, as you can see. Wow, that is huge. And as you can see, that is 300 watt charger. Okay, so let's put the charger on side. Okay, so we're getting a user manual. I don't know if you guys like to read that one, but anyway, on site. So that is the laptop. Let's remove those. Okay, so the laptop is here, and let's now reveal the laptop. Oh yeah, as you can see, that this laptop looks amazing. Yeah, that is looks amazing. I mean, wow, that looks so good. All right, so let's put the laptop inside the box and open up the lid. Okay, nice. Wow. By the way, that is storm grey color laptop, Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. That is 16-inch laptop. And okay, so let's remove it from the box, and then we can to see the inputs and outputs of this laptop. Alright, so before we check the input and output of this laptop, let's see the specs of this laptop. So as you can see, it comes with 720 megapixel camera or webcam. It is screen at a 16-inch screen. Comes with AMD Ryzen 7 and precisely as 6800H. It comes with standard 16GB RAM, Wi-Fi 6E. That's actually a quite good Wi-Fi chip, and comes with USB 3, so it's 3x USB 3.2. The keyboard, as I mentioned, will be mentioning later on, that is not an RGB keyboard, but that is just a normal white keyboard. And the reason behind it is that I've just chosen for this region. Okay, so it comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 370 with 8GB, and it is DDR6, so it's quite amazing video card. And as I mentioned, that it comes with a DDR5 RAM, so that's 16GB DDR5 RAM, and it comes standard with 1TB SSD, so it's M2 SSD Gen 4, and 4 cell battery. And so okay, so for the rest you can actually view also online about this laptop. And just not to forget, that is actually storm grey color. First of all, at the back, we got the two fans, and then we got the power connector, USB 3.2, Gen 3.2, and then we got another USB 3 Gen 3.2, and then we got HDMI, and we got multifunctional USB-C port. So what mean that? That with this port you can actually also charge the laptop if you got USB-C adapter, which also or charger that you can charge this laptop. So that is multifunctional USB-C port, and we got the Internet port. Okay, on the right side, or actually on the left side, whatever, we got again one more USB 3.2, the jack, and yeah, this is something new added to this laptop. That is actually to turn off the camera or the shutter, turn off the shutter and turn it back on, or just close it and open it. Okay, so let's move on to another side. On this side, what we have, again, we got on both sides of fans, which I have forgot to mention, and we got two more USB-C ports, which is actually amazing. Okay, so generally what I want to talk about is actually the back design. So the back design, why I prefer to buy laptops, especially Lenovo Legion laptops, that they got all the input and output equivalents are at the back. So it's all the USB-C, internet, and especially power cord, they are at the back of the laptop, which makes amazing when you connect in your docking station. It's much easier if you got everything at the back of the laptop. Most of the laptops are on the side, which I actually don't prefer. So that is one of the nicest designs of Lenovo. So first of all, what I have noticed that on Legion 5 Pro, the logo is actually on top, where on Legion 5 normal one, the logo is over here. And secondly, the Lenovo logo is actually now placed more here. You cannot see it, so let me, yeah, you can see it now, it's now visible. And on Lenovo Legion 5, it is over here. So, and more design parts, as you can see, that is very flat. And on this one, we got some kind of nice lines, some kind of curves, lines. It looks actually much better. Okay, so let's compare this laptop against the Lenovo Legion 5, the normal version that I got, and see what is the difference between them. Alright, so what we got here now, the top one is Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, and the bottom one is Lenovo Legion 5, the normal version. Alright, so what we got here, both of them got the air vents at the back, the internet port, both of them, and the Lenovo Legion 5 is USB-C, so that is not giving you the option to charge the laptop, where it gives you that option on Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. And then we got here two USB 3s, HDMI power connector, and then we got the Kensington lock port, or actually input or whatever. And on Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, we got then the power connector, USB 3.2 twice, and then we got HDMI output as well. Okay, so basically almost identical, but with some changes, which is on Lenovo Legion 5 Pro is much better, especially the option which gives you on the charging via USB-C. So let's move on the side. Okay, so again, the top one is Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. So what we have now in Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, let's start over there. We got one USB 3.2, and then we got the jack and also the shutter for the camera to turn it off and turn it on. And also what we have on the Lenovo Legion 5, that is one port of USB, and then we got the Lenovo button and the power indicator. So that is on the right side of the laptop. Let's move on the left side. Lenovo Legion 5, we got one USB port, and also the jack is on the left side, where on Lenovo Legion 5 Pro version, which is actually the version of 2022, we got two USB-C ports, and forgot to mention that on both laptops on both sides you have the air vent as well. So let's move on the front. What they got on the front. Okay, so that is Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, and as you can see that you got the microphones over here, and you got the microphone on top here, and you got the camera, which the camera you can close the camera with the shutter on the side, the shutter button on the side. Alright, and this laptop comes with just white keyboard. Okay, so here we got the Lenovo Legion 5, my old laptop, which still looks amazingly. So I created like a bunch of videos about this laptop. Okay, so what we got over here, we got the camera on top here, and to close the camera, it has the shutter also here, so you can just close it from here, which is actually amazingly. But on new one I like especially, which is on side. And the Legion logo, which is more visible than Lenovo Legion Pro. So I still love that laptop, and the Lenovo logo is also visible on side. Okay, so that is Lenovo Legion 5, the normal version. So let's open up the screen. Okay, so you can actually totally flat the screen like this. So okay, you can check it now. It is not totally flat. Okay, here we got the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Okay, so let's open up the screen. That's the first time that actually I'm opening the screen of this laptop, and you can see that actually you cannot bend this laptop more than this, which actually, that is one of the minus points when you actually want to use the laptop. Okay, so that is far that this laptop goes. In this video, I'm not going to test the performance of Lenovo Legion 5 Pro versus Lenovo Legion 5. The reason behind that is that this laptop, the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, is not coming with operating system. And why is that? I will tell you that in the final part of this video, and also give you some tips. Okay, so first of all, why this laptop is not coming with operating system? The reason is very simple. If you're buying a laptop from the manufacturers such as Lenovo or Dell or HP, and you want to buy it with operating system, you always will be paying more than when you're buying the operating system from Microsoft. So for this initial laptop, if I wanted to buy it with operating system Windows 10 or 11, I was paying like 200 euros extra. That's not the only component which I didn't choose it with this laptop. Also, if I wanted to buy with 32 GB RAM and also extra M2 drive, I was paying around, together with operating system, around 500 euros, or equal to maybe $600 extra. So the tip, and what is the tip about this? So whenever you're buying a laptop from manufacturer and you know that you can upgrade the M2 drive or SSD self and buy operating system seller from Microsoft or from any authorized sellers, or also the RAMs, it's better to do that setup. So you, and that way you have also option to buy better RAM, better M2 drive from better manufacturer, and also you're cheaper out. So guys, so if you got any questions regards the spec of those laptops, or you need any help with choosing the laptop, your future laptop, so leave the comment below. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day.